Welcome to apartment 3D at 170 East 94th Street. It's a lovely one bed, one bath apartment, completely renovated in a boutique co-op with laundry and a live-in super for $500,000 for sale and $25.95 for rent. National home prices are up almost 6% since the start of the pandemic, and New York City is now starting to see its recovery as well. We've had a healthy rental market this summer, and the contracts signed are up as well. Our prices are still reasonable, but the housing frenzy that we've experienced, that the whole country's experienced, is now trickling into the city as people are moving back because of higher vaccination rates and new jobs. So how does the housing market surge all of a sudden in the middle of a pandemic? There are several factors that increase the demand for homes. And the first one, being the most obvious, is a lot of people started working from home, started going to school from home, and there's a increased need for more space, and therefore more people had to move for space. The next factor was people's money and where it was going and where it wasn't. People were able to accumulate more savings by staying home and not taking lush vacations or dining out and shopping in public places. And we also had really low interest rates, which the combination of higher savings and more affordability with lower mortgages brought out a bigger demand from buyers who wouldn't have been able to afford a home pre-pandemic. And let's not forget to mention Stimmies. In cities where you had a shutdown like New York and people weren't able to buy homes or physically go shop for places, there has just been a lot of demand that was pent up because people who couldn't buy last year ended up buying in this year's market. And we've seen a very big recovery in the luxury market, which was waning even before the pandemic, and it's been the strongest luxury market that we've had in 6 years. And I won't even get into the stock market and everyone trading these days, but I will say that the housing market has definitely seen a benefit from the pandemic, and we will see when things start to get normal again what that would mean for people who did buy during the pandemic. Until then, if you have any questions, as always, I'm here to help.